What if galaxies were classrooms? What if we could see them not as cold and dead expanses of space, but as vibrant communities of stars and planets all learning and growing together? Well, if this idea excites you, stick around for today's video, where we're going to learn what it would be like if our solar system were to enroll in a galactic classroom. It's me and you're watching this channel. Join with us today for a look at what our solar system would learn if we enrolled it in a galaxy classroom. First things first, how big is a typical galaxy classroom? Well, the Milky Way is about 100,000 light years across and contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. So let's use that as our standard. Our solar system is pretty average when it comes to size and age. So if we plopped it down in the middle of a classroom, how big would each student have to be? Well, the distance between stars is huge. The nearest star to Earth is Alpha Centauri, which is just over 4 light years away. Now, obviously, we can't measure out for light years in our classroom, so we'll need to scale things back a bit. Let's say our classroom is 100 feet wide. That means that every 25 feet represents 1 light year. So taking into account our solar system size, which is about 11,000 astronomical units across, we find that we need to reduce our system to about 30 inches across. That means that our sun would be a little less than an inch in diameter. And since Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system, it would only be about the size of a soccer ball. In comparison, Pluto would be smaller than a pinhead. So now that we've got that all sorted out, let's talk about what our solar system would actually learn in a classroom like this. We'll start off with the basics. Just like any classroom, there will be desks, chairs, and blackboards. But instead of wood and chalk, everything will be made from pure energy. The desks will be formed from bolts of pure positive and negative energy that attract and repel each other depending on their relative positions. This is what creates the gravitational pull that keeps planets orbiting their stars and moons orbiting their planets. The chairs, on the other hand, will be composed of dark energy, which will allow students to teleport instantly from one part of the classroom to another. And instead of a teacher standing at a chalkboard, there will be a giant quasar at the center of the room, emitting light and radiation that will bathe the entire classroom in knowledge. But wait, you might be thinking, surely our solar system has been around for billions of years. Shouldn't it already know all of this stuff? Well, yes, it should, but here's the thing. The universe doesn't operate on a schedule, there's no set curriculum and no exams. Instead, knowledge is gained through exploration and experimentation. For example, our solar system may have had all the tools it needed to understand gravity billions of years ago, but without the curiosity and ingenuity to explore and test, that knowledge never manifested. It's kind of like having all the ingredients for a cake in your pantry, but not knowing how to bake a cake. And speaking of exploration and testing, let us talk about what a typical day in the life of a student at Galaxy class would look like. When our solar system first enters the classroom, it will be greeted by a dazzling display of light and color as trillions of stars come online for the day. Each star is a unique source of knowledge, radiating its own particular wavelength of light, which corresponds to different aspects of the universe. For example, blue stars are hot and massive, meaning they radiate a lot of energy and move fast. Red stars are cooler and dimmer, meaning they radiate less energy and move slowly. By observing these different colors and wavelengths, our solar system will be able to learn more about the fundamental properties of the universe, such as mass, energy, and gravity. But it's not all about looking. Listening will be just as important. Each star also emits a sound corresponding to its mass and velocity. These sounds can be incredibly beautiful when combined together, creating a symphony of cosmic harmony. But they can also be jarring and discordant, especially when stars collide or explode. These cataclysmic events can release huge amounts of energy and matter into the classroom, creating waves of sound and light that can be felt and heard billions of light years away. Experiencing these events firsthand will help our solar system develop a deep understanding of the life cycle of stars, from their birth in giant clouds of gas and dust to their eventual death as white dwarfs, neutron stars, or black holes. And finally, there's the most important sense of all: touch. The ability to interact with other objects in the classroom will be crucial for our solar system's development. By colliding with other objects and exchanging energy and momentum, our solar system will be able to learn about the fundamental properties of matter and the nature of spacetime itself. Now let's imagine that our solar system graduates from galaxy class and enters the real world. How would its experience in the classroom shape its understanding of the universe? One of the most important things that our solar system would learn is the interconnectedness of everything. It would see how every star and planet is connected to every other star and planet through the fabric of spacetime. It would realize that nothing exists in isolation and that everything is part of a greater whole. With this newfound understanding, our solar system would begin to see the universe in a new way. It would no longer view itself as separate from everything else, but rather as an integral part of the cosmos. It would carry with it the knowledge that it gained in the classroom, eager to share it with the rest of the universe. Of course, our solar system wouldn't be the only one to graduate from galaxy class. Every star and planet in the classroom would eventually enter the real world with its own unique set of knowledge and experiences. They would all carry with them the lessons they learned from their peers, the challenges they faced, and the triumphs they achieved. Together, they would form a vast network of learners, each with something unique to offer the other. And so it goes, my friends, the universe is a classroom, and we are all students learning and growing together. But what do you think? What would our solar system learn if it were to attend a galactic classroom? How would that knowledge shape its understanding of the universe? And what would happen when it graduated and entered the real world? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We love exploring the wonders of the universe with you, and we can't wait to share more exciting discoveries with you in the future. Thanks for joining us on this journey through space and knowledge. Until next time, keep looking up. Hey, did you know that there's a galaxy out there that has two suns? It is called a binary galaxy, and it is about 30,000 light-years away in the constellation of Aquilor. The two suns orbit each other every 75 million years, and they are both around 10 times bigger than our sun. Now that's a double dose of sunshine. Speaking of double, we have a treat for you. If you're enjoying our videos, be sure to double tap that like button and subscribe to our channel. It is the best way to show us that you appreciate all the hard work we are doing here. Don't worry, it is not like we are in a binary relationship where we are dependent on each other for survival. It's just that when you hit those two buttons, we get a little cosmic boost that helps us keep going. Plus, by subscribing, you'll never miss out on any of our latest videos. You lines be the first to know when we drop a new episode, and you won't have to worry about missing out on any of our exciting explorations of the universe. So go ahead, double tap those buttons and let us know that you're a fan. We're counting on you.